So I want to talk about I-601A waivers a bit more today. The biggest mistake I see people make and see other attorneys make is that they are not comprehensive enough with their waivers. We have a lot of clients that come to us that had their waiver denied, and I always ask to see what was submitted the first time. And then I'll review it and see, okay, was this a good packet? Was it just a bad decision? Or was this, not such a great filing and it deserved to be denied? The biggest thing I see is that other attorneys or people that, that prepare these on their own, they're not going in depth enough on what their story is. So an I-601A waiver should be extremely customized to that person and their family and the hardship that they will suffer if this person is not allowed to stay in the United States. You should be including your expenses. What are you spending on car insurance? What are you spending on your mortgage or your rent, groceries? All of those things should be documented, and you should have evidence to support that. You should talk about how the kids are doing in school. If they've gotten certificates for awards or good behavior or good grades, those should be included in there. You should show that, look, this family's maybe doing really well. The kids are succeeding in school. They're on the right path. Maybe someone's in college. And if you take this family member out of the house and make them live in another country for 10 years, look at all the good stuff that's going to fall apart around this family. We want to be really specific. What are the names of the aunts and uncles that live nearby? Where do they live? How many of them are there? We want to show family ties to the area. We want to show job history. How long has this person been working at this company? We want to really document all of this. Our waivers end up being somewhere around 500 to 600 pages long. But I've had people come to me and say, this is what we filed and it got denied. And it's 100 pages, 200 pages. It's generic documentation that could be used for anyone. So if you're contemplating a 601A waiver, make sure that you're putting the time in and that you're making sure that what you're producing is customized to you, because USCIS is not going to approve every single waiver. They need to be impressed by this, and yours needs to look better than the other 2 or 3 that are sitting on their desk that day that are going to get adjudicated. Hopefully that helps. Reach out to us if you have any questions. I'm happy to meet with you. Take care.